channel of Digital to Real. Today we are going to discuss a topic of VHDL, that is Sequential Signal Assignment Statement. Signal assignment may be performed using a sequential statement or it can happen using a concurrent statement. Now sequential statement, where do you see? You see the sequential statement inside the processes where one after the another the statements get executed. Okay, and concurrent process, when you see it, when there are multiple processes inside the architecture, they all get executed at the same time. A VHDL model is having several processes that communicate via signals. So what are the signals we have? We mostly mention it, that we mention it at the entity block. Okay, and the architecture use those signals, those interfaces. Okay, and the processes use the signals. So apart from those internal signal, we declare it inside the architecture block. A VHDL is having several processes that communicate via the signal. And what the simulator does? During the simulation, what happened? Simulator does two things. One thing is that it updates the signal value. Another thing is that it runs the processes. Because all the processes doesn't run. Those which are activated by the changes in the sensitivity list, they only run. Okay, when the process in VHDL is active. Okay, the process is executed at least once. Once the program starts, once the VHDL code runs, process is executed at least once. No matter the signal which is there in the sensitivity list changes or not. At the time when simulation is initiated, the process is triggered. After this execution, it waits for the change in the state of the signals in sensitivity list. After this execution, it waits if there is a change in the state of signals in the sensitivity list. Sequential signal assignment has the following syntax. So here is the syntax. Signal less than operator equal to is the expression. This is the sequential signal assignment syntax which is available in VHDL. As a result of executing the statement of signal assignment which I showed in a process, the expression that is on the right hand side of the assignment operator is evaluated. Okay, the expression is evaluated and event is scheduled. Okay, assignment. So the expression, the right hand side of the assignment symbol is evaluated and an event is scheduled to change the value of the signal when the process suspends. So processes, the signal's value are not updated when the process is running. But the signal value are processes. Left hand side is updated only when the process suspends. Okay. So during the simulation, we evaluate the expression. Okay. But the signal value is not updated at that time. This expression where it exists is inside the process block. So this expression is evaluated and change to the signal happens only when the process suspends. During running process, it doesn't happen. Therefore, the same thing which I have explained, it is written in a process, the signal will be updated only after executing all the statements of the process or when a wait statement is encountered. So therefore, in a process, when the signal updation will happen, only when we have executed, evaluated all the right hand sides, and the assignment will happen only when the process suspends, maybe due to the not change in the sensitivity values of the signal or because of encountering a wait statement. Okay, in either of the two cases, the process is suspended at that time when the updation will happen. So example is shown. Example, process A begins Z. Sequential signal assignment operator 0 we are assigning to Z. Z. Assignment operator A I am assigning. Then end process. So here actually this value will never get assigned to Z. Z will only get the A value only, because inside the process statement they are sequential statements. So one after the, we are assigning the same value one after the other, and same signal assignment is happening. Okay, so that is what process A begin assignment operator. Actually this is same as no need of assignment, only this statement is enough. I did not to put this statement, okay, because it will never come into effect. So last assignment to the variable Z will take place. A consequence of the way in which the signal assignment within the process are executed is, when one value is assigned, to the same signal, only the last assignment will be effective. Okay, only the last assignment to the effective. Hope I am able to make you understand about the sequential signal assignment in VHDL. If you like the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.